to train ye cat. That's what we're going to be doing today. And we're in the remote location of where to find a Garfield, a small little beast that we train. And so follow me. This is the lair of the Garfield. So in here, as we can see, so look at the next room. Is he in here? Is he? Don't look like it. And so we go to the next room. We couldn't get in there. The door's closed. And this room. Don't think so. And there he is. This is a Garfield. And this is how to train him. First you catch the Garfield, and now you have him. And so now that we have him, we must first give him a collar. See, this collar wasn't there before. We just put it on. And we carve in Garfield onto the collar, and see now it says Garfield.
With a stone.
And then, now, first off, this is how to get the Garfield's attention. Watch this. Ready? Garf. 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 And now we have his attention. And he looks at your hand. Now we've got to get him some meat. We'll do that later, actually. And now we're getting him all frisky. Oh, this is the best way to get him to hunt for himself. He's supposed to catch mice. Doesn't do it. Not one bit. And now we will teach him the new trick.
Oh, it hurts so bad.
Yes, shaking his paw. But usually in this community, this is the island of Burke, is where that we kill cats. There's a constant war. Oh no, my dad's coming.
Dun dun.
Son, what are you doing? You're coming to cat training? Oh no, my daddy wants me to kill cats. Yes I do, son. So get on out here. This can't be good. Can't be good. Son, you can do it. Born Dad. But see, if I go into cat training, I'll have to kill cats. Kill Garfields. I can't do it. I can't. You are my friend. Now,
The end of part 1.